Okay, so I just ran into some rain here, so I stopped under this little bridge just to get some cover here, and it's raining. It's raining pretty good too. In the middle of Wynwood. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a POV scenic ride to Wynwood, Miami, Florida. So for all you guys that have motorcycle seasons and are stuck with your motorcycles somewhere in storage or locked in your garage, you guys can ride vicariously through me as I enjoy beautiful Florida here and our year-round riding weather. Don't hate. And away. Okay, so right now we're leaving the Harley Davidson dealership in Miami, and we're heading south to Wynwood. Okay, so now we're crossing Miami Gardens Drive, which is northwest 183rd Street. Okay, so we're going to be sticking to I-95 South. I can smell a bakery around here. It smells really good. We got a U-Haul truck up here going 2 miles per hour. Look at that beautiful view. Come on, U-Hauler. So now we're on to I-95 South. Why I chose to do this in this traffic is beyond me, but here we are. And we're at a traffic standstill right now, so there it is. Interstate 95 right there, guys. Usually this little area here is busy, and once you pass this, you're pretty much in the clear. But yeah, looks like it's clearing up a little bit down there. And hopefully we can make it out there to Wynwood before sunset. You guys see this? This is why you don't drive in Miami. Okay, so we've officially made it to the part of Miami that we're trying to get to. However, our battle is still not over yet. Oh, there's another Harley rider. Got the old nod from him. And we can proceed. So we're going to make a right turn here onto 29th Street, and I'm not sure if we're in the Wynwood district yet, but by the looks of all of the colorful buildings, I would say that we're probably in Wynwood right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, before a stupid amount of rain and this little kid here crossing the street, I think she liked the bike. Okay, so we're officially, I guess, in Wynwood, huh? That's a corner store, so far I can't tell if we're in Wynwood or Wynwood. Okay, so I just ran into some rain here, so I stopped under this little bridge just to get some cover here, and it's raining. It's raining pretty good too. I'm actually going to back up a bit. Well, in true Florida fashion, guys, caught in the rain in the middle of Wynwood. Just got caught in the rain, so I'm going to see how long this lasts. And hopefully I can continue on into the art district. However, if the rain holds up a bit, I'm still going to go ahead and just show you guys some of the scenes here in the art district of Wynwood, Miami, Florida. And just like that, in true Florida fashion, it stopped raining now. So I'm about to hop back on the bike and continue with wet roads. So one thing I've noticed about Miami, well, this part of Miami, and I'm not from Miami, I'm from Broward, but one thing I've noticed is that there's lots of people that use alternate modes of riding around. I'm sorry, I got distracted by the guy that was refusing to stop at the stop sign there, so. Oh look, it's dry right here. Why? Because we're under a bridge. That's the only reason why. And there's another biker. The guy here is look like he went shopping at Target. So it looks like we're getting close to where we're trying to get to, the art district of Wynwood, Miami. Okay, so we're 1 block away from the Wynwood art district. And if you look, you can see a sign right there that says Wynwood starts here, and another one right there that says Wynwood starts here. So here we are in Wynwood, Miami, Florida. Okay, so here we are in the Wynwood Art District. And we're just going to cruise through here, Wynwood Tribe, to the deck. There's the DJI store. I can smell the aroma. Some scooters there. I can smell the aroma. Sweet green. I'm distracted. As I'm trying to say, I can smell the aroma of marijuana in the air. Okay, so this is the Wynwood area. Baja, Miami, Madrid. Okay, guys, so it looks like we're coming to the end of Wynwood here. Okay, let's see if we can maybe find one of these spots here, try some food. And so we have lots of people out here taking photos. Oh, this is the Wynwood Walls, closed today. So I guess the Wynwood Walls is where people go to take photos and just participate in the art district. Okay, Okay, so I'm here at Coyo Tacos in Miami, and I usually see this place, well, I saw this place the last couple of times that I was riding down here, and I decided that I was going to stop in here and just give it a try and see what it's like. So I just ordered some mahi tacos again. You guys that saw my video when I went down to Homestead, had the mahi tacos there, so gotta cop it again. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Little sightseeing, little POV ride through Wynwood, Miami. And if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section so that I can make your wish come true. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace up, 2 wheels down.